I never really wanted to be doing all this writing music. I mean, you sit all on your own, by yourself, for hours and hours, with no one for company, only the cat. This a joyful hymn of praise. Good, well done. Just that little bit rhythmic bit there is like this. This a joyful hymn of praise. Like to do that. This a joyful hymn. One and this a joyful hymn of praise. Let's do the last page. Okay? You look worried. Yes, I've got a confession about that piece. Okay, if you'll just excuse me, I'll show you. It starts like this, doesn't it? It's a little bit funny. Well, is Elton John famous in Sweden? Oh dear! Well, he actually wrote that piece before I did. But listen, we're all friends here. Don't tell him. The melody is not at all the same. It's just a little riff at the beginning. Maybe there's just a little hint of Elton John in there somewhere. But no, I don't want to be sued in court.